Every day, thousands of car accidents reshape lives and communities across the United States. In this video, we'll uncover the stark realities of road accidents in the U.S. and what steps you should take if you or a loved one is injured in one. Diving straight into the facts, America experiences more car accident fatalities and injuries than any other first world country. Experts attribute this to various factors, including road infrastructure, driving behavior, and vehicle safety standards. In 2019, the United States witnessed 33,244 fatal car crashes, resulting in 36,096 deaths. Alongside the fatalities, another 2.74 million were injured. For us at arashlaw, these statistics aren't just numbers. They represent families, friends, and communities torn apart by tragedy. Apart from the pain and suffering they cause, the economic burden of car accidents is staggering. Each year, America spends over $380 million on medical costs due to accidents. Including lost wages, the overall cost balloons to $55 billion annually. The hard truth is that the majority of these accidents are preventable. Negligence plays a huge role in car accidents. Distracted driving, reckless speeding, and driving under the influence are the leading causes of traffic accidents in the country. Here are some things you should know about the causes of car accidents in the United States. Distracted driving. This form of reckless driving causes many accidents on the roads. It doesn't matter if the driver was looking at their phone, changing the radio station, or talking to their passengers. When a driver loses their focus on the road for even a split second, they increase the risk of an accident that results in serious injuries. Distracted driving accounted for 3,142 car accident fatalities in 2019, while drowsy driving led to 687 deaths. Speeding. Driving beyond the speed limit is never a good idea. According to data, speeding led to 9,478 fatalities on U.S. roads in 2019. Alcohol and speeding combined cost the country over $201 billion in comprehensive costs in 2010. Driving under the influence. Driving under the influence, or DUI, is a serious crime in the United States. Marijuana users have a 25% greater chance of getting into a car accident compared to those who don't use marijuana. Drinking and driving causes 28 deaths per day. That means that one person dies in the country due to DUI every 50 minutes. Now that you know the main causes of traffic-related accidents, let's move on to the most common types of car accident injuries. A car accident can lead to physical harm that ranges from minor to fatal. However, the most common types of injuries include scrapes, wounds, bruises, soft tissue damage, chest injuries, arm and leg injuries, head trauma, and brain injuries. Getting injured in an accident that's caused by someone else may entitle the victim to recover compensation for their injuries. If you sustain injuries from a car accident, here's what you should do to preserve that right. After an accident, check yourself for injuries, regardless if you have visible injuries or not. Immediately call 911 and ask for help. If it's safe, move to a safe spot on the side of the road, but don't leave the accident site. Have yourself checked by the paramedics on the scene. Next, make sure to coordinate with the authorities. Only disclose the facts of the accident. Afterward, go to the nearest hospital and get checked by a doctor. Make sure to keep track of all medical documentation, receipts, and official police reports. If an insurance company tries to throw you a settlement offer, don't accept it. Instead, talk to a lawyer to discuss your accident and find out how much compensation you're actually entitled to recover. The car accident attorneys at arashlaw have helped thousands of injured victims get what they deserve, from compensation for medical bills and lost income to wrongful deaths. We have a no-win, no-fee policy that provides car accident victims a fair chance to fight for justice. If you want to pursue a claim for your injuries, call our car accident hotline for a free initial consultation. Thousands of car accidents change the lives of many American families every day. Regrettably, many of these incidents are brought on by the negligence of other people. Understanding that negligent individuals should be accountable for your injuries is important in recovering compensation. In addition, victims should also be aware of the steps they should follow after a car accident to preserve their rights. Our car accident law firm's mission is to make sure injured victims are heard, empowered, and given a fair opportunity to fight for their rights. Remember, staying safe on the road starts with yourself. Thank you for staying tuned with us today in our discussion about the number of car accidents in the United States each day. Join us again in the next one.